In this video, I'm going to perform a speed test on this Kugoo Wish electric pit bike. Now this pit bike is outfitted with a 1500 watt motor that peaks at 3000 watts. It's mated to a 48 volt battery. Now my first speed test, the speeds were slower because the controller was not configured properly. I reached out to the manufacturer and I was able to configure this fire driver controller to 45 amp output. So the speeds are much higher, and let's get on with the test. All right, we got this long straightaway. I'm gonna check the speed with the app of the speedometer app and also with the GoPro telemetry data. So let's get on with this. I'm gonna make sure that I'm in the top speed, gear 3. There are 3 gears on this Kugoo. I'm gonna check the top one. Whoa. I'm doing 29. Speedometer app says I got to 29.6. We'll validate that with the GoPro telemetry data. All right, let's do another speed run here. We're gonna hit the reset button and we're off. See if we get to 30, get low. Alright, so on that speed run it says I got to 32 miles an hour. The display said I was doing 35, so slight variance. We'll validate that with the GoPro telemetry data. Pretty happy with that. Let's do this speed run here. Hit the reset button, we're off. Alright, on that run I was able to get to 29.9. My volts are down to 51 volts. So I've done 4 passes and I've consistently was able to get to about 30 miles an hour. I'm pretty happy with that for this size pit bike. It's 14-inch wheels in the front and 12 in the back. For the value, this is a great bike, everything that you get, and 30 miles an hour. I'm gonna go do a speed run and see what the different gears do. Let's see what the different gears do. Looks like gear 1 gets you to about 12 miles per hour. Let's see, gear 2. About 22 miles an hour. And then gear 3 will get you about 30. Let's see how the hill climb does with a little bit of speed. Does it pretty well. Pretty happy with that. Do this hill climb and see how she does. That was from basically dead stop. Did pretty good. So off-road, this thing handles the bumps really well. The suspension's nice. Plenty of torque and speed for off-road riding. Brakes are good. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this bike. If you can get this bike for around $1,500, I definitely recommend it. It's super fun. It's a nice size. Probably the only thing negative is I wish the motor was a little bit quieter, but overall, it's pretty fun, I have to say. Handle those bumps really well. Let's see these tree roots. Yeah. Pretty freaking epic. Well, I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Let's do another speed run here. Up to 25 miles per hour. Pass, I was able to get to 31 miles. All right, on that pass, I was able to get to 30.1 miles per hour.